Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kayla, Crafty Pen Pal Mama. So for this video is a unboxing for some design team items from Panalisa on AliExpress. I will have the items and the shop linked in my description box for you guys to check out what they have. So they always add in some cute little papers with a little note and some stickers. So this is what was in there. Look at those adorable little stickers. I love their little note there, little sticky note. So it's Panalisa Craft Store. Panalisa, sorry, Craft Store. I'm going to set that here. So, they usually have me pick something, an item or so, that I like, and then they will send other items with it. So, I picked this item here, and yeah, so I picked these two, and then they sent the rest. So the first one is this die here, and it's a puzzle, and it measures from the edge where it cuts 4.5 by 5.5. So that's going to be super cute for cards. I have some ideas in mind for this already, so I cannot wait to play with these. I did get these a little while back, and I've had some problems that came up, so this is a little delayed, but I am here sharing it now. So this is the second one that I picked. I love words that have borders, and this is kind of like a quote. So I wanted to have this for like card fronts, and it says, "Every day might not be a good day, but there is something good in every day." Yeah. Every day might not be a good day, but there is something good in every day. Yeah, that's right. So this, so it goes end to end, and about right there in the package. So I'm going to measure. Oh, my ruler's backwards. 3.5 by 4 3/8 of an inch. So I'm glad to have that for my stash. And then the other dies they sent me are here. So this is, it's like a little egg carton with eggs sticking up in the top. And it looks like the bottom can be a shaker. And then you've got layering pieces for your egg tops and some little faces to put on them. So the main part here, the size, is 4.5. And then from bottom to top of the egg is right at 1 3/4 of an inch. So that's going to be cute to play with. And someone else had an idea about this for Halloween. So it doesn't have to be Easter, even though it's eggs. You just gotta be creative. Okay, and then the next one is this cute little set here. It's like a coffee pot and like a flour and sugar and cream. You've got this cup here. This is like a sleeve for the cup. A plate, a spoon. And then over there, let's see what's on that side. Let me open it so I can see what's there. So you've got like little coffee beans, a little coffee sign, your little whipped cream. You got it like a coffee cup. There's the regular lid, and then here with the domed lid. Little coffee cup. Super cute. That is going to be so fun to play with. And they also sent me this one. It's It's like a milk container, and it can be a shaker. It's got the cute little face there, and then you have your layering piece for the lid. That's going to be adorable. And then the next one is this cute little skeleton, and it looks like he might make a shaker, or he might be good just layered up with foam. So, oh, there's something in the back. Let me see. Okay, so he has a little hat. Adorable. So here, yes, you've got his background piece. Let me move these up. I accidentally moved my nameplate. So here's his background. I think that's for his hat. That'd be like a layering little belt to go across, and then the buckle, and then his body. You have all these little bones. Super cute. So it'll be cute to cut this out in cardstock and this out in foam and layer it up. Adorable. Cannot wait to play with that. I love me some Halloween. And, oh, I didn't measure that one. And some of these are hard to measure until they're put together. But his, the base for his body, I can go ahead and measure, is 4 1/8 tall. And then from left to right on about his hands is right at 3 3/4 of an inch. So he's a good size for embellishments. It's going to be so fun to play with. Let's see. And at the time they sent me this, I don't believe there were a lot of Halloween stuff out yet. So yeah, that's kind of a little how delayed I am. But they did send me some other papers that have some matching ephemera. First, this one, I don't think it has, or that I didn't get ephemera with this one, but it's like acrylic paint papers. 6x6, 12 different designs and 2 of each. Love, love, love that. Going to be super fun to play with. The next one, and that's just called acrylic. This next one is called Serenity. Super cute with the mushrooms and the squirrels and the owl. Got a lot of greens in there, and I like that. And then it has a pack of matching ephemera. I actually believe they're stickers. Yes, 12 inch. Oh, okay, so these were originally on a 12-inch sheet of paper. So it's like getting a 6x12 of stickers that match. Okay, that's pretty neat. So that one matches that one. And then I have this one also. It is called Modesty. I'm loving all the pinks. All the little sewing tools. You got a button, a pin, a spool, the measuring tape, a bobbin. That's like a vintage desk with a sewing machine. Little scissors. Very, very pretty. And then this one also has matching stickers. And you can see on the back what comes with it. Some super cute tags. The spool with the pin sticking out. A little tape measure. Super cute. And then last is this one. It is called Joyful. And, oh, yeah, this is the one I've already started working with. I did cut out some flowers from one of the sheets. Because you get a couple in here. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 of just flowers. No, 5. But I wanted to have some other ones to use as well. So I cut them out and attached it to the back. So yeah, it's called Joyful. Super adorable. I love all the polka dots. And then this one with like lace over it. And there's like teapots, cups, cute little cupcakes. And the flowers coordinate. And then like some vintage prints. And then that checkerboard. Love that. And this is so cute. And I think I have a die that coordinates with this little teapot. It looks just like this teapot. So that's going to be so fun to play with. And it's got this kind of teapot as well. The little short, stout one. So yeah, that is my Design Teen haul from Panalisa Craft Store. I will have the shop as well as the items linked in the description box if you guys want to hop over and grab some things for yourself. That's it for this video. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.